Good afternoon. So I thought I'd have a road trip and go to Pattaya. This is the first time out of Hua Hin with my car. And it's the first trip out, really. Great start to the day. Hua Hin decides to open the sky. Lots of floods. Lots of flood, and then my windscreen wiper decided to break, so I've been all over the place trying to find a place to change my windscreen wiper, because I got about a 5-hour journey. I've got to go through Bangkok to go through to Pattaya, so I need a windscreen wiper. And although someone kindly in PTT put a elastic band around it temporarily, I don't think it's going to survive 5 hours, especially when we just had torrential rain and the sky is still not looking too good. So my initial plan was to get there at a certain time, and I'm way behind schedule, but never mind. Hopefully they actually haven't got the part that I want, so he's just gone off somewhere else to try and get the middle bit. Wish me luck. All sorted, so now on the way to Bangkok and then to Pattaya. Let's get going. It's what's the time now? It's 10 to 1. Wow. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. Don't think I'm gonna make it. Okay, catch you later. Okay, so hopefully now we're coming out of Bangkok and on the way to Chonburi. Hotel is on the beachfront. So I should be guaranteed a nice view. Well, I paid for a nice view, so I hope I get it. Built up here, wasn't expecting that. Right, the beach is to the left, or the sea is to the left. Wow, oh my god, look how many buildings there are. Jesus. Good, there's plenty of places to stay in Jomtien, if I said that correctly. Galore, really? Okay. see galore at the corner there. Wasn't expecting that in Jomtien. Pattaya, yes. Okay, I can see the beach. Wow, that's more like it. Lovely. Nice. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, it looks a bit like Patong. Wow, can't get over how these big massive buildings, hotels or apartments or condos, loads of them, so big. Can't get a nice view though. Wow, it does look like Patong. So excuse my enthusiasm because it's the first time here. So. Wow, that view is absolutely beautiful. That beach is beautiful. I'm glad I chose here rather than Pattaya. Okay, there's my chance to get past this tuk-tuk or BART bus, whatever you call it. Wow. To the hotel on my right. It's not going to be on my left, that's for sure. Okay, it should be here. Almost here. Wow. Doesn't that look beautiful? Okay, so we're at the Grand Jomtien Palace. That sounds good, doesn't it? I think I might enjoy it here. And look, they got a beach club. Is that a cannabis symbol there? Oh, that looks a bit dodgy, doesn't it? Wow. Surprised to see that in a place like this, next door. It looks like it's on their grounds. Okay, let's try and book in. Wow, it does look nice. Check in.